Hey everyone! Did you know that phishing scams are one of the most common ways hackers steal our personal information? Let's take a look at how these scams work and how we can avoid them.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
I've sent details to your email regarding your individual assignments and current tasks. Please check your inbox. If you have any questions or need further clarifications about your workload, do not hesitate to reach out.
Here's the classic phishing email. It looks urgent but something's off. Let's break it down. First, check the sender's email address. Is it from legitimate company or does it look suspicious? Second, hover over the link. Does it lead to a real website or a fake one? And finally, does the email pressure you to act immediately? Then that's a big red flag. If you fall for a scam, hackers can steal your login details, access your accounts, and even steal your money.
Hello. Good morning, Bibilu Bank. I would like to bring to your attention that I clicked a malicious link. Could you please assist me in checking and securing my account? I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. Thank you.
Here's how to protect yourself. Never click on suspicious links. Verify the sender's email address. Use two-factor authentication. Report phishing emails to your email provider. Always remember, staying informed is your best defense against phishing scams. Don't take the bait. Stay safe online.